Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my protein deep conditioning hair mask. And the first item I have on the table is avocado. I have my very ripened avocado here. Avocado is a great source of biotin and it contains minerals like potassium and magnesium that helps encourage smooth and shining hair. It also helps prevent hair breakage or hair loss. Alright, so avocado is highly necessary when you're making a protein hair mask. The next item I have on the table is banana, and banana is high in vitamin B6 and C, potassium. Banana is great for your hair and your scalp. It prevents and controls dandruff and moisturizes your scalp. The next I have is egg. Egg is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin and folate, which help your hair grow thick and healthy. And do not forget that egg is a good source of protein that helps your hair retain length and prevents hair loss. So guys, I went ahead to crack my egg open and poured it into my blender. I'll be making this hair mask with the aid of my blender. I have a video that went up some years back and I made the hair mask just with my fork, but I'll be using the blender. So for now I'm going to open up or peel my ripened banana. I want to be using just ripe fruits for this so that they can blend very well and that their particles can really blend. Okay, the last one I tried years back, I ended up with things in my hair and I wasn't comfortable about it, so I'm making sure I'm working with very ripened fruits. So now I'm going to take off the flesh of my avocado and put it into my blender. I'm using one avocado for this. I really love avocado in my hair. So the next thing now I'll be taking is my honey. Honey is very good for the hair. Honey is a humectant that helps moisturizes the hair. It also has emollient properties that help smoothen the hair follicles and add shine to dull hair. So I'll be adding honey into my blender, and the next thing I'll be adding is my olive oil. Olive oil is very good for the hair. It helps increase shine and help your hair look luscious and healthy. All right, olive oil is also a great source when you're trying to grow out your hair and make it look full, and my hair loves olive oil a lot, so I'm just taking 2 tablespoons of each of this. The next I have is my argan oil, and argan oil moisturizes the hair, scalp and protects your hair from everyday damage. It reduces hair breakage and splits ends and keep your scalp healthy. It prevents hair loss. So I'm making this protein mask. This protein mask has ingredients that can help my hair grow.
Sometimes someone comes into your life.
The next item I have here is my castor oil, and castor oil helps strengthen hair strands, promote hair growth and nourishes dry scalp. All right, so I'm taking as well 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I took 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of argan oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of my castor oil. So now proceed to cover the blender and blend this ingredients in the blender fine. Now you can see what my protein hair mask product looks like. It's very smooth, very silky, and I made sure I grind this ingredients together or blend them together so that I don't have particles in them. All right, like I said, I tried this years back and I ended up with a lot of particles in my hair, so I made sure I grinded this things very well, and that was why I was a bit heavy with the oils, so that I can grind this very well. And also that's the reason why I worked with ripe fruits, so that I can achieve a very smooth paste. All right, so guys, I'm working on freshly washed and dried hair. My hair, I washed it the night before and now is so dry, and I'm just taking off the little twist I kept them in so that I can start working in this protein hair mask into my hair. My hair was a bit dry at the moment, so I unraveled the twist and hydrated my hair with some water. I added water to my hair to aid the application of the hair mask, to help the hair mask sit very well in my hair and work it thoroughly into my hair, because my hair was super dry. So guys, here is our hair mask ready to use. So I'm going to proceed now putting this hair mask into my hair. All right, I love to work in sections so that I don't get tired and frustrated. So I worked in sections. I didn't try to do everything together. I also advise you to work in sections so that you'll be able to touch every strand of hair on your head. All right, so I'm applying this protein hair mask on every area of my hair, even splitting the section I have in my hands. I'm making sure that the mask is getting into every strand of hair that I have on my head. Okay, so you have to work this into your hair generously, and I try to comb out the hair to make sure that the product is incorporated into my hair. So now I twisted the hair out of my face and secured it with my is a bobby pin or what, just some hair clips. Okay, so I'm taking another section and working this protein hair mask into this section. This hair mask is very jam-packed with a lot of healthy ingredients for your hair. I think I saw this hair mask on Cardi B and I said I was going to try mine, but this time around I didn't have exactly all the ingredients she had. I think she added mayonnaise or yogurt into the hair mask, but I didn't add that. I just worked with what I have, and you as well too can do this. Just look in your pantry, look in your store, and you'll find all this ingredients in your house, all these materials I use for this mask, and you can make this for yourself. All right, when you are taking care of your body and your skin, you also need to take care of your hair. Your hair shouldn't be left out. You also need to show it the love and care. It also needs to ingest protein. All right, it also needs this protein for its day-to-day thriving. All right, so I'm going to comb back that section again to make sure that I've worked the product into every strand of hair, and I'm going to twist it and take it out of my face.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hell.
Finally, I've been able to cover all sections of the hair I parted with my hair mask, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is super damp and dripping. All right, I think that when you beat eggs, it kind of gets watery. All right, so I think this is what is happening. It's just dripping all over me, and thank God I protected my cloth, because this has a the smell is somehow, guys, I'll be honest, because of the egg, it smells somehow, but we are not going to neglect that. We're not going to neglect our hair, despite the fact that we don't love the smell of the egg. So here is my hair fully covered and saturated with the hair mask. It feels so soft already. I can tell you this product, this hair mask, is going to soften your hair automatically. My hair feels so soft, and it's making my curls pop. And I really love this hair mask. In as much as I don't do it often, I think I'm going to start doing it at least once in 2 months. It's going to be enough. All right, it's going to be enough for my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after it's fully covered in the protein hair mask. So the next thing I proceeded to do now is to twist up the hair back and secure it with a plastic bag. This is a hair mask, so you don't just apply it and rush into the shower to wash it. You should secure it and let the heat circulate, and just stimulate your scalp with by covering your hair with the plastic bag. So you're going to cover your hair with a plastic bag and secure it. And I left this mask for roughly an hour 30 minutes on my hair. I even wanted to leave it for longer, but as the heat circulated in my scalp, the products kept dripping out of my hair. It became so watery and uncontrollable. So I only left it for an hour 30 minutes on my hair, and that was all I did. I think I proceeded after an hour 30 minutes into the shower and washed it out with my black soap hair conditioner. I have a video on my channel showing you how I make my black soap hair conditioner, and it's the best so far. I'm stuck to using my black soap hair conditioner. So this is after I've washed out the hair. As you can see, no particles, no residues of the fruits on my hair, and I'm so happy. So I moisturized my hair with my hair butter and twisted it up, and I went in now with my DIY hair oil and secured it with a hair scarf. All right, so I'm going to be showing you a video of how I make my hair butter and my hair oil. You guys have asked a lot about this. Yeah, after this treatment, honestly, I love how my hair feels and I'm super happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.